In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve Payoneer pending receiving accounts. Whether you're just getting started with Payoneer or you've been using it for a while, understanding how to manage pending receiving accounts is crucial for smooth financial transactions. So let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Payoneer homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Give that a click. This will bring up a menu with several options for managing your account settings. Next, from the drop-down options, you need to select Settings. This is your gateway to a variety of important account configurations, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't already. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a more detailed menu where you can manage different aspects of your Payoneer account. Now, the next step is crucial. You'll need to navigate to the Verification Center. This option is nestled within your Settings menu. In the Verification Center, you can see the status of any pending receiving accounts you might have. This is where all accounts that require your approval or further verification are listed. Once you're in the Verification Center, you should see a list of any pending accounts that need your attention. Payoneer will provide instructions on what exactly needs to be done for each account. These might include submitting additional documentation or completing other forms of verification. Make sure you follow these instructions carefully. It's important to address each pending item to ensure that your account remains in good standing and that there are no interruptions to your ability to receive payments. While you're working through these steps, remember that Payoneer is designed to help facilitate international transactions. So having these accounts verified and approved is essential for seamless money management. If you encounter any issues during the process, Payoneer's customer support is always a good resource to reach out to. They can provide assistance and clarification on any step you find challenging. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to approve your pending Payoneer receiving accounts with ease. Remember, staying on top of your account settings and verifications not only helps you maintain a smooth transaction process, but also ensures your financial activities are secure. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time!